Hi guys, this is Prachi and welcome back to my channel Upgrade Your Style with Prachi. Today's video is all about the fall and winter 2020 color trends, and not only that, I'm gonna give you the styling tips at the end of every color. So before you get lost in 2020 fall winter season colors, please do like, subscribe, share and save this video if you haven't done. This video is going to help you for festivals, wedding, parties which are going to start very soon. So when you'll be going for a shopping during the fall, then you can go through this video as a color guide. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So I'm going to start with a high energy color this season, that is red. Red and its shades are so much in fashion this season. From Mandarin red, which is the most dramatic and bright hue, to Samba and burnt henna, which is deeper, darker shades of red. Styling tip. Firstly, I would suggest that you really must include red in your wardrobe this year. For all the experimental girls, going all monotone, which means going red from head to toe, is a new trend. Or you can try keeping a red dress, red pencil skirt or red boots. Either of these should be in your closet. For those who are not into much of experiments and don't like much of reds, having a red hoodie or just a clutch or a bright red lipstick would also be enough, since red is the color that adds the right amount of drama and excitement. So this is the another color of 2020, and no doubt the blue tones are the most fashionable colors for fall winters every time. This time the shades and hues of blues that are in art. There are so many blues in this season, so you have variety to choose from classic blue, which is a deep blue color, to strong blue, which is on the brighter side. Then there is a dress blue and blue dip. Both are again deep and darker shades of blue. The powder blue is a lighter shade, more onto the soft and calming side. Styling tip. Another fashion tip you should always remember: when someone asks you what color is in style this season and you don't know the answer, just simply say blue and red. They are always, and I really mean it, always in style, especially in autumn and winter. For blue, you can also wear denim from head to toe, as it never goes out of style. And for winter, you can also get a blue overcoat, which will look really trendy. Okay, so another color for the season is green, and genuinely it is the most popular color of the season. So let's discuss its hues and shades which are going to trend this season. So the first hue of green is military olive. Personally, I really love this color since it's so much pleasing and sets a refreshing foundation for the fall winter 2021 style. Another hue of green is ultramarine green. This color is the most fashionable fall winter 2020 color. Another hue of green is celery. It's a vital yellow green color. And the last hue of green is green sheen. It's a bold acidic yellow green shade that will always stand out. Styling tip. So wearing a green knit dress or just a green knit sweater will be really trendy. Moreover, green sequence dresses or skirts or satin dresses are no less trendy for parties or wedding functions. If you think that's a lot of green, then wearing just a green satin band will also be enough. Next fall winter 2020-21 color is grey, and if you can afford to buy only one thing this year, make sure it is in grey. So the first hue of grey which will trend this fall season is sleet. It's a smooth, subtle and clarifying shade of grey. Another shade of grey is asphalt grey. It's a darker shade of grey, or I might say deeper than sleet. Styling tip. A dress or a footwear in sleet is a must-have for winter 2020. Also, you can add on a knitted dress or a net gather skirt to look fancy and classy, both at the same time. Another trending color for this season is brown, and its hues and shades are seen so much on runway this time. Sandstone. It's a sweet, warm and sandy hue of brown that is very fashionable. Another one is Tony Birch. This is one of my favorite color this season. It's earthy, warm, sweet yet spicy brown that is fashionable from head to toe this season, even for lips and lids. The next one is Toffee. It's a rich and warm brown. Mostly you see this color in leather jackets or leather skirt. The last hue of brown is Fired Brick. It's a strong and sturdy shade of brown. Styling tip. Going monotone with brown look really classy. You can wear a brown leather jacket and leather pants, or you can pair it up with a plain basic tee. It will look so classy. Also, having a pair of brown boots and a brown purse or a clutch in your closet is a must. So do you guys like bold colors? Okay, for me, on days when I feel like doing something out of the box, then I definitely go for bold colors. So let's discuss the bold colors which are in trend this time. First one is orange, and it has its own two hues which are in style for the fall winter 2020. The first one is exuberance. It's a bright or neon orange red, and another one is amber glow. While the exuberance is a deep and lightly appetizing, the amber glow has a little more yellow undertone. Styling tip: an orange coat set, or if that's too much, go for a satin slip-on dress that you can style with a denim jacket or an oversized coat. Having an orange purse will also give a pop of color in your whole look. And not just that, about glows, going for an orange glossy lips will make you look charismatic. Another bold color which is in is Barbie pink. It's very fashionable for the autumn 2021, and wearing it monochrome will gonna give you an out of the box look. Okay, so another bold color which is in is magenta purple. Magenta purple exudes glamour and royalty, and if you love burgundy color, then this is something for you. Actually, it is not much different from burgundy, it's just slightly more subtle and vain, that's all. Styling tip: getting a lehenga in this color for a wedding function will look really modish. Or for casual attire, a magenta purple skirt or a culotte or a trouser will look quite trendy. Or if this color is too much for you, getting a scarf or a muffler in this color would also be enough. Silver is undoubtedly the most beautiful shade of grey. For me, it's the number one color of 2020, and it's in style now and will be in style later also. Styling tip: a silver sequence top, a camisole or a dress will definitely make you party ready. Or how about just a silver pleated skirt? It's very much trendy and will make you super stylish. Okay, so it's not just silver which is in fashion for fall winter 2020, but there is another metallic color which is so much in trend this season. Okay, so I'm talking about the glamour of gold, which is way over the top and kind of a color that is mostly reserved for people going for special events. Styling tip: gold metallic off-shoulder top or a dress with a statement sleeves is going to make you look super stylish. And if too much of is not your type, then just have a gold accessories or gold sling bag, that would also be enough. After the dark and bold colors, let's jump to some lighter and muted pastel shades which everyone is searching for. Okay, so first one is Jetstream. It's a grey tinged beautiful off-white color. The another one is Almond Oil. It's the second off-white shade, but unlike Jetstream, it's a basic beige that is both rooted and timeless, but mostly effortlessly chic and warm. The another one is Rose Tan. It's a petal soft pink that elects an aura of romance. It feels smooth and creamy, which make it perfect to wear 5 to 9 all days of the week. The last pastel is Peach Nugget. It's a warm natural hue that embraces with its inviting sweetness and is soft light peach in color. Styling tip: literally, I was surprised how many things you can buy in these beautiful muted pastel colors. From beautiful rose tan heels, Jetstream color knit dress, or pairing it up with the Almond Oil color cardigan. And literally, these colors look so damn chic. So the last color which was seen so much on runway for this season, and I couldn't ignore it and definitely have to mention it, is black. Is for sure never out of style. But if we talk about fall winter season 2020-21, then black is considered as the number one biggest fashion trend of 2020. Styling tip: well, I don't think I should give any tip for black because everything and anything goes with this color. Yeah, but one thing you should definitely have is a black leather, whether a pant, jacket or a bag. So with that, let's wrap this video, and I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you and your loved ones don't miss any new content. And yes, don't forget to tell me your favorite color for the fall season 2020-21. And yes, love you all.